Hello everyone, today I will show you how to measure area in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this measure tool option. Click on this down arrow and this is area scale option. Now you can select area and this area and see this area 22 and 4 square centimeter, and you can increase decrease this size, you can change this color you want and see this, and again I'll measure this rectangle and see this in this color 142 square centimeter. If you want you can move this, and so in this way you can measure area on your PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.